everybody. This is Allison, little redneck wife. I'm sitting outside right now enjoying the heat. And just enjoying the outside nature and looking down in my valley around.
And if you're looking...
There you go.
Too short. I'm short, but I can see the one plant.
I'm not showing you plants. There's my Canadian flag, or all our Canadian flag. But down there is a perfect hunting spot for turkey, deer, probably moose and bear, all kinds of critters. Here's my mother-in-law. Say hi, Mom.
Hello. I'll try. Yeah, hi. Oh, they say you gotta use it or lose it, eh? So, if I want to get my left arm. Hello. I guess one day I'll get straightened out. I think I'll get everything patted down.
Now my honey, our puppy, is laying right there.
Hey.
She's looking all around. She's probably saying hi or just leave me alone or something. And my husband's down doing some stuff down on the ground there. But
for me,
I'm going to turn you around now. How? My hair's a mess. I've been working all day and I haven't...
You know, you look pretty. Doesn't matter how you got your hair.
Well, thank you.
I don't think your viewers would mind that.
Thank you. I love it here. Oh, here's a side view. Well, hold on. There's our side yard. Goes all the way back to the highway. I don't want to get my neighbors in. But if you like what you see, push like, subscribe, and leave me a comment.
I'm in my own bubble shell.
Thank you. Have a nice day and God bless.